This house is on Candlewood Lake in Connecticut, so it's kind of in a rural area, and it's got these beautiful lake views. Like red, it had like logs, like it was very like old school Adirondack. So a lot of what we wanted to do was take inspiration from, that Adirondack, that rustic woodsy feeling and the lake without being so literal. I passed Borrowed Earth and I literally like stopped on my heels, turned right back around. I saw the weave tile on display and I didn't have time to talk, but I was like, give me your card, and just like snapped pictures. And I was like, this is it. I will come back to this. I was like, this is art. Looking at it, that was what clicked with me, was like, this is actually like the fine art of tile
Absolutely.
and stone. So I knew I had something there. So when I got back, I met with her and I was like, this is it. Like, I'm going to show you this picture. And she was like, that's beautiful. The weave in the travertine was definitely like the catalyst for that whole bathroom coming together. And like I said, we had been trying to pull together a design for like at least a year. So it was the unicorn that we needed.
Absolutely. That's amazing. And it honestly, the bathroom itself, it just looks great. And I love hearing about the way you were able to bring the client's expectations and their personal interests into your design in a way that's really beautiful and pristine without being overly, polished, just as you said.
Three different Borrowed Earth patterns in the room.
Mhm.
And so that's where we kind of expanded, and we picked the moire for the walls, and then we have that fluted convex on the shower wall in there.
Yeah.
So it really helped just button up all of the loose ends there. And I mean, it's stunning. So
Truly. And honestly, that's why we were so eager to do this video so that we could feature that project. It really shows the product in such a beautiful and artistic way. And I think it was so beautifully executed.
the weave tile we have behind the freestanding tub, and getting that pattern together in a way that we liked, that the client liked, and that worked. But then you also want to center the niche on the tub and work with the modules of that 24 by 24 tile and the half moons. So it was definitely like a very immersive and explorative process. We sketched like a bunch of different layouts to make sure we got it the way we wanted and that it jived with the niche and with the tub and still displayed, the artistry of the weave motif. The tile's it's just really stunning. The stone is stunning. I'm always been a sucker for travertine. I don't know why. It's just it is the earth. Like, it really feels like it's the earth, and the pits and the way that those pits hit with the texture of the tile is something that's just really beautiful. And it's captivating, and it's not like anything else. And it's just, I mean, I love that bathroom. I love the way it came together. I love that we were able to bring together, the bleached walnut and the accent lighting to really just keep elevating. Because when you have tile that beautiful, you can't just like stop there. You have to give it the pedestal that it deserves to be on.